and also thank you, Mr. President, for the support we have received from him and completing this project. I can tell you that is one of my happiest moments in life, that this time when people are talking about things are difficult, we're able to deliver basic infrastructure to the people. One thing is just that what do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? Are you committed to it? Yes or no? And prudent financial management is key. Nobody can claim that he has all the resources in the world, but the ability to manage prudently is what is more important.